Are you wondering how to make a stamp in Procreate? It's actually a lot easier than you might think. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a stamp brush in Procreate. Using Procreate stamp brushes is a great way to add unique elements that you can repeat over and over in your illustrations, paintings, and digital artwork. And the best part is, they're really easy to make if you follow these steps. So, let's begin. Open a new square canvas in Procreate. You can do this by tapping the plus icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen and selecting New Canvas, or you can use the square preset canvas in the preset options. It's important that you use a square canvas for your stamp design, otherwise your stamp might be distorted or warped. Step 2. Draw your stamp design. Using a brush of your choice, draw your stamp design on the square canvas using black. Remember to use a canvas size that is at least 2000 by 2000 pixels so that your stamps are crisp and clear. For this leaf stamp that I'm creating, I'm using the Technical Pen inking brush. I like it because the lines are crisp and clean and it's easy to define your shape. Right, step 3, copy your canvas. Once you have finished drawing your stamp design, you are going to copy the image so that you will be able to import it into the Stamp Brush Studio. To do this, tap the Actions icon or the wrench tool in the top left-hand corner of your Procreate workspace. Select the Add option and tap Copy Canvas. This means that you have now copied your entire canvas as is. Step 4. Open the brush library and create a new brush. You can rename this new brush that you are creating. I'm calling mine Leaf Stamp. Now tap the plus sign in the top right-hand corner to open up the Brush Studio. Step 5. Select Shape. Tap on the Shape button in the brush settings to start. Step 6. Select Edit under the Shape option. Step 7. Tap Import and then paste your copied canvas. This should literally be the shape you designed. Step 8. Invert the colors. Use 2 fingers to tap the stamp shape on the screen. Your stamp design becomes white and your background is transparent. Tap Done to apply this final stamp shape. Step 9. Adjust the stroke path spacing. In the right-hand window of your Procreate workspace, you'll be able to draw out your stroke path. Tap the stroke path menu and adjust the spacing slider to the far right. If you move to the left, the shapes are clustered together, and then when you move to the right, they are spread out. For a stamp brush in Procreate, it's important to separate the shapes and to make the designs clearly visible. Step 10. Adjust the brush's opacity. You also have the option to adjust the opacity of the stamp brush. You can do this by tapping on the Apple Pencil menu and dragging the slider to the left to decrease opacity and to the right to increase opacity. Step 11. Adjust stamp size. Select Properties and adjust the sliders for the minimum and maximum sizes. You can really adjust these sizes to whatever best suits your desired effect. It's just another way to control the appearance of your Procreate stamp and to make your digital painting more efficient. Step 12. Personalize your stamp. Tap on the About This Brush option and give your brush stamp a name, and then write your own name. You can even put your signature on the brush so that if you sell your Procreate stamps, people will know you made them. Step 13. Select Done. Now you have a fully functional DIY Procreate stamp of your own. Well done! 2 final important tips. What if your design doesn't show up in the source shape when you paste? Make sure you have copied the canvas correctly. It's also a good idea to always draw your design in black on white. This makes it easy for Procreate to convert the design to a shape. The second tip I have is if your stamp comes out with a black shape around it, it means that you haven't correctly inverted the colors. And there you have it. Now you know how to make a stamp in Procreate. My name is Dee. Hit that subscribe button now. Watch this next tutorial on how to quickly undo and redo in Procreate. Thanks for watching.